jersey number 25, Sir Palinao. 65, Sir Lawrence. Number 28, Sir Nelly. Number 26, 25, Sir Lebron. Palaman. Paglalang na pass ni Sir Buwan. Sir nakakatuloy sa Pueblo. Easy 2 points. Pueblo. Sir Paternal. Sir Paternal, pass to Pueblo. Pumasok, pass to Sir Dunzo. Nelly, 2 points. Sir Pueblo. Dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Sir Gilbis, intercepted. Out of bounds.
28.
Yellow team ball. Sir Candado to Mr. Arat. Back to Mr. Candado. Out of bounds. Pataka. Sir Agave. Sir Agave nagdadalang bola. Pass to Sir Biapol. Sir Biapol. Pass to Sir Nelly. Fake. Foul and one. Sir Nelly. Foul. First personal foul versus lead foul. One throw for Sir Nelly. Last 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 1 point. Sir Ahmad. 20 seconds to shoot. Anak pumasok. Pasok Mr. Piglo. Back to Kimpis. Kimpis dribbles. Hesitates. Kimpis. Pumasok.
Ato ta draw niya.
Intercepted by Sir Villavler. Pass to Sir Padernal. Padernal lang mamadali. Padernal pumasok. No good. Rebound Sir Candado. Pass to Sir Kimpis. Kimpis. Kimpis na mamadali. Shoots. 2 points. Sir Kimpis. Sir Nelly to Sir Padernal. Padernal dribbles. Pass to Sir Villavler. Villavler na may nalatres. No good. Rebound by Sir Piglo. Piglo na mamadali. Piglo pumasok. Shoots. Yes sir. Piglo, no points. Sir Agape picks. Pass to Sir Nelly.
Sama ko lang sa lito.
Nelly to Sir Lawas. Tumira ng 3. Champion.
Kasi.
No good.
Ako.
Arba.
Ay gani nakabay. So, kayo sa burado.
Sir Piglo. Piglo. Pass to Sir Candado. Candado dribbles. Pumasok. Pass to Sir Arat. Napakagandang pasa. No good. Rebound. Shoots. No good. Rebound pa rin. Kimpis. No. One to Sir Castillon. Yes sir, 1 point, Sir Castillon. Padernal dribbling the ball, pass to Sir Lawas, nag-isa, 2 points, Sir Lawas. Last 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Mr. Arat na magdali, pass to Sir Kimpis, Kimpis, his makes, no good. Foul, jersey number 28, Sir Nelly. Blocking foul. Court side. Sir Piglo to the round press. No good. Rebound Sir Kimpis. Yes sir. 2 points. Kimpis. Sir Agapit. To Sir Padernal. Padernal. Narahanap ng mapapasahan. To Sir Piglo to the round press. Yes sir. 3 points. Tulang daw. 2 points lang daw, Mr. 2 points. Mr. Piglo. Piglo pumasok. Tumira. Rebound. Sir Padernal. Padernal lang pa to Sir Villavler. Villavler na madali. Ganda ng ping ni Mr. Padernal.
Grabe, score. Ba't makita ang score? Score.
Mentor
Ano
na
makita ang score na? Ano? Score, score.
Nugod, rebound. Mr. Ara. Ara tumira ng tres. Nugod, rebound. Mr. Lawas.
Uy, bola na po.
Sir Agape. Sir Agape pumasok tumira. Yes, sir! 2 points, Mr. Agape.
13, 12 po. Silang.
Score, 20-12, long pass to Sir Castillon. 2 points. 13-14 in favor of the Legends.
Ano pala ako pa?
Mr. Padernal. Pass to Sir Agape. Agape to Sir Neri. Neri takes. Neri pumasok. Pass to Sir Lamas. Yes, sir. 2 points.
Mistake.
Mr. Piglo. Nauna si Mr. Pao. Mr. Agape.
Uy, may uncle na.
Holding foul. 2 shots. Mr. Piglo given 2 shots. 40 foul. No good? Yes, sir. 1 point. 15 all. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds. Mr. Piglo, 1 throw.
Kukunan lang po.
No good. Rebound. Mr. Nelly. Sir Padernal ang malalalik.
Ito ka,
Pass to Mr. Lawas. Mr. Lawas shoots.
Una lang eh.
No good. Rebound na Mr. Alat.
Tupol.
Tumatakbo.
Ano na?
Kanda na tumatakbo. Mr. Alat. No good. Rebound by
Lawas na may
Mr.
padaw
Nelly.
naman mo.
Mr. Nelly dribbling the ball. Pumasok. Pass to Mr. Nelly. Up the ball. No good. Rebound Sir Padernal. Pass to Nelly. Intercepted by Sir Quintus. Sir Quintus. Nagdadala ng bola. Pumasok pa. Diyan si number 14. Mr. Agape. Penalty.
Penalty, sad. Cornet na. Cornet na dun.
Yes, sir.
May mo, yung side na mo ah. Cornet na ba yan? Saan? Saan, Taro? May. Saan ba? Tambok ba? Tambok. Bugo ka? Beratukan mo. Grade 3 na ka na.
Next time.
Ha?
1,
Grade
2,
3 na ka.
1.
Ah. Ikaw?
1 goal.
Grade 5 na.
No good. And on the first quarter, 1 throw, Miss giving Mr. Quintus
Wala!
1 point.
Ito.
And of the first quarter, score 15-17 in favor of the
Kuman,
green
grade 10
team.
na ka. Huwag kuman, grade 10 na ka. Grade 10, grade 5 ako.
Second point. Second point for yellow team.
Sir!
Willing to si number
Rep!
8, Mr. Manawatao. 19, Mr. Giliano.
Hey, shout out.
26, Mr.
Junior SPP Sara.
Ano? Nalupa. Puerto. For the green team, wearing jersey number 32, Mr. Vincent, Mr. Santiago,
O, sandal!
Mr. Ampere,
Boss Andal! 24!
Sir Calubes,
Kanina, mga pointe.
Sabihin Minores, Mr. Tama,
Uy, 29 malagi. Ang napagoy.
Sir Manianak,
Sakin, kagawan, sakin.
second one,
Andal! Boss Andal! Highlights ni Ron!
yellow team door, Mr. Manawata to Sir
Wala!
Nalupa. Sir Giliano, ano good? Rebound. Sir Manawata, back to Sir, no good.
Hindi nilong bro!
Sir Manianak,
Ay gali na! Ay skasi to ang
Manianak to Sir Ampere. Ampere to Sir Santiago. Santiago makes drive, shoots, pass to Mr. Manyakap. Manyakap drives, pass to Mr. Santiago.
Kagani namin Johan magdagara di
Bayan.
robot.
Iyaw din, Mr. Nalupa. Josie, Sir Manawataw, back to Sir Nalupa, to Sir Kiliano. Kiliano. Back to Mr. Kiliano. Drives. No look pass. Intercepted. Oops! Number 6, holding foul. 26. First personal foul by Mr. Manaka. Sir Manawataw, given to throws, goes to.
Wala ko.
Yes, sir. 1 point. Second goal.
Wala. Ito, 18. Board.
Yes, sir.
Sa linya, laway.
Sir Manaka. Defended by Babu Sir Manaka. Defended by Sir Manawataw.
Awkward.
Takes, Mr. Johnson shoots. Good. Rebound by Mr. Kiliano. Kiliano pass to Sir Manawataw. Manawataw nag-iisang shoots. Yes, sir!
Hindi ka mga sa mga pro.
The secret weapon. Sir Manawataw. Sir Amper tumira. Good. Rebound. Mr. Kiliano. Last 5 minutes and 49 seconds. Score 15-21. Mr. Romero. Pass to Sir Kiliano. Kiliano drives. Takes pass to Sir Anyong. 2 points. Anyong. Manyakap. Manyakap ng mawalay. Drives. Pass to Sir Andal. No good. Rebound Mr. Kiliano. Mr. Nalupa. Nag-iisa. Oh!
Ot! Mga lodi.
Wala. Naamoy timeout daw, naamoy timeout. Mr. Santiago, nagdala na ng bola. Paso mo sa Andal. Andal dribbles. Andal takes to Mr. Santiago. Santiago pass to Mr. Johnson. Johnson drives. Johnson shoots. No good. Rebound Mr. Quilano. Foul. Holding foul Mr. Johnson.
Terdito.
Last 4 minutes.
Oy,
First personal foul by Mr. Johnson. And second time foul. Mr. Nalupa.
Makita mo, sirup.
Nalupa to Mr. Anyo. Back to Nalupa. Nalupa to Sir Quiliano. Quiliano back to Anyo. Anyo tumira ng 3. Yes, sir! Ilista mo na, baby. Stepping on the line.
Dog siya
Nakita.
dapat.
Stepping on the line, Mr. Manyaka.
Gusto mo. Kupol. Biskuit yung kaunan mo. Narto ko.
Mr. Nalupa to 2 points. No good. Rebound, Mr. Johnson. Johnson nagdala ng bola. Pass to Mr. Manyaka. Manyaka.
Hindi lang.
No good. Miscommunication. Napasobra ang pasa ni Sir Manyaka.
Red, kulit pa.
Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Score 15-26
Inilang, ininal.
in favor of Yellow Team. Sir Manawata, pasok. Pass to Sir Romero. Tumira ng top. No good.
Good.
Rebound by Mr. Santiago.
Santiago.
Mr. Santiago to Mr. Johnson. Johnson!
Man! Highlight!
Sumakay ka pa, Bailey. Mr. Malupa. Mr. Malupa to Sir Anyong. Anyong to Malupa. Sir Manawata back to Malupa. To Sir Anyong. Anyong pass to Sir Kiliano. Kiliano.
Ano? Bago po, no?
Intercepted by Sir Manyakap to Sandal.
Oh, Sandal!
To Sandal.
Sandal!
Foul!
No!
Mr. Malupa.
Highlight yung top.
Napasabit ka, Mr. Two throws, Bus Andal.
Mayata mo ni mo eh. Tutubusan
First
na.
personal mo, Mr. Nalupa.
Boss,
And first
andal.
rebound.
Boss, andal.
One throw, Bus Andal.
Tanda, record mo.
One
Nice
point.
one! Six, 19.
Second row, Bus Andal.
Excuse. Di mo klaro.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Score.
29 plus 25.
Low pass to Sir Manawanaw. Manawanaw pumasok. Pass to Sir Melo. Intercepted by Mr. Santiago. Bola ng yellow team.
Score. Picture.
Mr. Romero to Mr. Nalupa. Nalupa to Anyong. Anyong pass intercepted. Intercepted by Sir. Pass to Mr. Romero. Romero. Pass to Sir Manawanaw. Right.
28 lang score. Kani. Lamang sila.
Basket counts.
Sa
And
una,
one
bago
row.
sana. Isa'y tamang kalaban sa akong papa. Oo. Laban sa akong papa.
Sir Manawanaw.
28 ang score. Isa ang kuban sa
The
akong
secret
papa.
weapon.
Score sa akong papa, 19.
1 point.
Isa'y kuban
Candidate
sa
for
akong
MVP,
papa.
Mr.
Kasi
Manawanaw.
yung mga kwan, dagdag ko na.
Tawa sir. So, Mr. Andal, foul!
Highlight!
Foul by Sir Manawanaw.
Ano na to?
Calling foul.
Andal. Bus andal.
Laban
Bus
ng
andal.
unit.
Bus andal.
One row, yes sir. 20-29. Last row. Sir Manawan.
Nako.
Sir Andal.
Tonight.
Terus Kiliano. Kiliano nagkaroon muna last 25 seconds. Sir Anyong. To Sir Manawanaw. Manawanaw! Candidate for Mr. MVP. Foul.
Grabe ka na. May bulong.
After 29, pushing foul. Given two throws, Mr. Manawanaw.
Wait ni highlight si Sandal.
Ano man?
Ni highlight. Highlight.
And on the second quarter, last throw for Mr. Manawanaw. Score 20-29 in favor of the yellow team. One throw, Mr. Manawanaw, sir. No good.
No good.
Candidate for Mr. MVP. Third quarter, entering for the yellow team. Third quarter, Sir Chang,
Nakulang.
Sir Peglo,
C.
Sir Tadling, and
Kuya ka ni ano?
Sir Luby, Luby, and Sir Arat. For grade 10, Mr. Daligan, Sir Almafen.
Ako daw ka ni Nakula. Wala man si ma'am. Oh, on ka.
Wala, field goal lang.
Alma. Alma. Ako ka, Bal. Ako.
Hey!
Ikaw ka, Bal. Ikaw ako.
Wala ka sa si Daddy?
Wala.
Yamonte.
Masyad sa itong Paul.
Almasen,
Foul? Nasa shoot?
Almasen, Best Jump, rebound to Mr. Tadling. Mr. Tadling na talaga ang bola. Pass to Mr. Peglo. Mr. Peglo to Mr. Arat. Take, dribbles, to Best Jump. Foul. Jersey number 31. Ball shot given to Cruz. Last row. Rebound by Mr. Piamonte. Piamonte nagdala ng bola. Pass to Mr. Danigan. Danigan pumasok. Drives. No good. Rebound Mr. Danigan. Reverse layup. No good. Takes. Shoots. No good pa rin. Rebound pa rin. To Mr. Villapor. Mr. Almacen takes. Almacen. Intercepted. Nakuha ni Mr. Danigan. Turn around. No good. Rebound by Mr. Arat. Mr. Arat. Pass to Mr. Lupi-lupi. Mr. Rebound. Rebound by Mr. Demonte. Demonte na pamadali. Nandala ng bola. Pass to Mr. Villacron. Takes to Sir Katunong. No good. Rebound. Good job.
Wala lang.
Out of bounds.
Wala lang isa.
Yellow team ball. Pass to Sir Lupi-lupi. Sir Arat for 2 points. Yes, sir. 2 points.
Grabe!
Mr. Villacron. Pass to Almacen.
Picture man.
Almacen. Dribbles. Pass to. Nanahanap na. Pass to Mr. Danigan. Danigan. Reverse. Good. Intercepted by Gus Jam. Mr. Piglo. Mr. Piglo na mamanali. Shoots. Yes, sir. 2 points. Mr. Piglo. Mr. Villacron. Nagdadala ng bola. Mr. Villacron. Pass to Mr. Almacen. Almacen. Pass to Mr. Danigan. Back to Mr. Villacron. Villacron. Turns and shoots. 2 points.
Oh!
Long pass to Mr. Katulong. Mr. Katulong. Takes, shoots, foul. Nakasabit, Mr. Number 20, Mr. Demonte. First personal foul.
Tubig dribay. Rep.
One row. Rebound. Mr. Rebound by Mr. Demonte. Demonte to Almacen. Rebound.
Boy, napa isa.
Mr. Almacen. Nakahal Mr. Villacron to Mr. Katulong. Katulong drive, shoots. No good. Rebound Mr. Villacron. Villacron. Pass to Mr. Katulong. Katulong to Diamante. Diamante drives. Diamante pass. Shoots. Yes, sir. Nice assist by Mr. Diamante. Mr. Arat. Mr. Arat nagdala ng bola to Mr. Lupi-lupi. Drives. Back to Busjam. Yes, sir. 2 points. Sir Jam. Long pass to Sir Almacen. Intercepted by Mr. Peglo. Peglo na pamadali. Drive, shoots. Yes, sir. 2 points.
Score.
Score. 24-27 in favor of the yellow team. Last 4 minutes of the third quarter. Mr. Katulong stops, pumps, no good. Out of bounds. Mr. Arat to Mr. Piglo. Mr. Piglo candidate for A2B. Oh! Wow! Si Mr. Dudley. Yagamon! Mr. Piglo. Pass to Mr. Almacen. Almacen to Mr. Villacron. Mr. Villacron drives. Pass to Mr. Danigan. 2 points. Danigan. Intercepted by Sir Katulong. Danigan drives. No good. Rebound Mr. Danigan. Out of bounds. Last touch Mr. Danigan. Foul.
Nita ba, oy? Ay, baru di ba, oy? Ha? Init ka.
Foul Mr. Ruby.
Init ka dito, wala aircon. Saan? Aircon na, namayangan ka na rin.
26-27 in favor of the yellow team. Last 2 minutes and 35 seconds. 1 point. Mr. Katulong.
Pas mo na.
Rebound, Mr. Arat. Mr. Arat, nagdadala ng bola.
Sir, ay papilde, sir.
To Mr. Dudley. Mr. Dudley, to Busjam. 2 points, Sir Jam. Nice assist by Mr. Dudley. Mr. Villacron to Mr. Danigan. Intercepted by Mr. Arat. Mr. Arat to Mr. Dudley. Dudley to Sir Peglo. Peglo drives and shoots. 2 points, Mr. Peglo. Candidate for Mr. Ripipi. To serve Villaplo, shoots! No good. Rebound, Mr. Almacen shoots! No good. Almacen!
Ah!
2 points! Barrel! Mr. Peglo, candidate for Mr. MVP, 2 points.
2 points to guys.
Long pass to Mr. Lanigan. Nice block by Mr. Tadley. Mr. Lopez shoots. No good. Rebound by Mr. Peglo. Mr. Peglo takes shoots. And foul by Mr. Catuno.
31. One shot.
Second personal foul and third team foul. 1 throw. Yes, sir. 29-44 in favor of the yellow team. Candidate for Mr. MVP, Mr. Pringo. Yes, sir. Mr. Piamonte. Piamonte na pagdali. Pass to Mr. Almacen fakes. Pass to Dadigan. No good. Rebound, Mr. Dadigan. Dadigan to Mr. Villaplo. No good. Rebound. Rebound by Mr. Lupi. Long pass to Mr. Pringo. Napasobra ang pasa. Out of bounds. Mr. Villaflor, tumira ng pass! Rebound by Mr. Chang. Mr. Peglo na pagdali. Turnaround shots! Candidate for Mr. MVP, Mr. Peglo. And of the third quarter, lamang pa rin ang yellow team
Anak ko ni Bay.
sa pamumuno ni Mr. Peglo.
Ikaw. Ina yung papa dito.
Daghan ano?
Ha?
Daghan?
Eh, Ventura.
Candidate for
Ventura.
Mr. MVP.
Awa na yan nag-live?
For the fourth quarter,